Alright, so anyway, alright, so check this out. I've owned the Sony MH1000X M3s for a few weeks, and of course I watched a whole bunch of reviews on them before I bought them, like any self-respecting tech enthusiast would, and it was a toss-up between them or the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s. So, to be honest, I was always kind of leaning towards the Sonys because I've just never been a big Bose fan. Way better sound quality as opposed to the Bose, which a lot of people were saying were real quiet, which is not something I look for in a set of headphones. Kind of listen to music, like not meditate down. And I noted that the features on the CQ35s, one of them said multi-point Bluetooth connections, and I was like, damn, that's a really nice quality to have in a set of Bluetooth headphones, man. Because I know you know how annoying it is to be paired on your headphones and you get home and you want to get on your computer and listen to music from there. You got to repair them, and then you get a phone call, you got to repair them again. It's a process. Tonight, I was watching a bunch of videos, just my regular like YouTube wormhole type deal. I'm just watching videos and I fell into another Sony Mark III headphone review, and then it hit me. The dude said, unfortunately, the Mark IIIs don't support multi-point Bluetooth connectivity, and I'm like, yo, that's not really that true because they do, actually, as a matter of fact, and that's what this is. I'm gonna just show you how to do that real quick. But what you can do is remain connected to your phone and also connect at the same time with another device for the purposes of media consumption. Say you want to watch a movie or listen to music or something. You know who holds a head? Who holds their phone anymore? Like and talks like this. Like, are you serious? Nobody does that no more. This is 2019. We've been past this. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna show you how to do that because it seems nobody really does know how, or even know that it is a feature. And I only stumbled across it by accident. You know what I'm saying? So I can only imagine how many people own these headphones and don't know that they can do that. They will, they will, connect to two different devices at the same time. All right, let's get right into it, man. This is just gonna be a quick little show for you. Fold that ass. All right, so here we go. I am going to let you see the process in which you connect the Sonys, and we're talking about the Mark IIIs here, to an Android phone and set it to the right setting accordingly so that it's only connected for call audio. So here we go. Pull down the notification panel, long press Bluetooth, you'll get your settings up. Now I'm going to turn the Sonys on and I'm going to let you hear them. Hopefully it's close enough. So it should connect right to the phone. So let's see. Alright, now hit that little we're gonna hit that little cog icon next to where it says WH1000 XM3, and we're gonna disable where it says audio and leave the calls on. So now it's only connected for calls. So we're gonna back up, and that's that. So now that you see it's only connected for calls, it gives you a little battery reading, which is awesome. We're gonna close out of that, and on my computer here we are going to connect to the headphones while this is open. So whoa, that's weird. So you can see what we got going on here. Right there is good. Now we're gonna go into the settings on the Windows 10 PC, and we're gonna go to devices, and as soon as it loads up, I have the headphones somewhere. So right now they're not actively connected, they are paired though. So we're going to go ahead and connect. Now remember, it's also connected to the Android. Ready? Alright, and for some reason it cut out real quick once it connected to the headphones on the Windows 10 PC. So As you can see, the PC is connected to the headphones for music. If it was a full connection with call audio, it would also say call audio. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you that it's still connected to the Android, which in this case is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And there you go. So now I can listen to music on the computer, and if I get a phone call, it'll come right through the headphones. I won't have to disconnect and repair and do all that jazz, which is quite an annoying process. So that's how you do it. You got to start from the phone, only because you can't specify which um, feature you want to enable on the PC. It'll only let you connect to whatever's available. So you have to connect first from your Android, um, disable media audio, leave call audio on, and then go ahead and connect from another PC, and that's it. There it is, easy peasy. It ain't nothing to it. Procedure, but now I'm going to show you that audio is coming, media audio is coming from my PC, and call audio is going to come from the phone at the same time. Alright, so here we have Spotify, here we have Google, and I'm going to call myself. Here are the headphones. Pause. Really, with the focus? Show you. You're giving too much information to the listeners. So, here we go. Yes, that's my cell phone number. Feel free to give a call. By the way, you complimented his segue, and in doing so, oh, for God's sake. The segue. Yes, you did. I was going somewhere. Sorry. Where was I? Oh. Yeah, we were going from Pete being a... Oh. Who could this be? Look at this. Hello. Hello down there. Woo. And that is how you do that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood. So basically what we did was disabled media audio from the settings in Android and connected again to a Windows 10 PC. Ooh, that's feedback. And that's really it, man. It's not that complicated. So hopefully you got it, and I'll see you next time.